loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean with me video for you all, and it also includes a giveaway at the end, so you don't want to miss out, so make sure to stick around to the very end. In today's video I will be cleaning my sister's house. I'm helping her out because we will be having a few cousins over for cousins night, and so right now I'm cleaning out her kitchen area slash dining room. She has this really beautiful table there, and as you guys may relate, you can just leave everything on that table and then forget about it. So I'm just helping her out and moving the things around, and then I'll be finishing off with the rest of the kitchen. In her kitchen area, I'm just putting away all the groceries and things that we were using the night before to cook with, and then I'll be helping her out with her dishes. But I love helping my sister out because she lets me come into her house and cook at her house, and I just love cooking, so whenever I get the chance I love coming over. And also she has her little baby Michaela, so anytime I can help, I do help out. So here I am just finishing off with the kitchen, and then we'll move on to washing the dishes. Does have a dishwasher, but I'm just so used to washing them by hand that I wash them and then I put them in the dishwasher to dry. Does anyone else do that, or is it just me? I want to hear your thoughts. I think I like washing them by hand so that I can feel the warm water on my hands, and I don't know, that's just my personal preference. But as you can see there, I'm using the little baby soap to wash out all of my niece's little cups that she was using and her little bottles. So I will be doing that, and then I'll be washing the sink out, and then we'll be done with the dishes. And just like that, the kitchen and the dishes are all clean, and now I'm gonna move on to the living room. I've already organized Michaela's little toy area on that side there, as you can see. And now I'm just sweeping up all of the living room, and I'm gonna make sure to get under the couches because having a little niece that likes to throw around toys, some of them land under the couch and then they're forgotten. So you need to get under the couch just like that little ball and make sure to put them right back to where they belong. And then to freshen up the couches, I love using this Tide Febreze fabric spray, just spraying them lightly on all the tops of the couches, on all the cushions, and then you also don't want to forget the bottom there, making sure everything is nice and refreshed. And then I'm going to continue sweeping down her little hallway area. Her bathroom was already clean, so we didn't need to clean that. And I'm going to finish off by sweeping the kitchen area, picking it all up, and then we'll move on to doing laundry. My sister loves doing her laundry, but I just helped her out with one load this day so that everything could be nice and clean. So I'm just throwing it in the washer and just throwing all the light colors in there, and then I'll be throwing a few Tide Pods in there. I love using Tide Pods. If you guys have not tried them out yet, you need to try them. They're so convenient, and normally for a medium to large load, I love throwing 2 Tide Pods in. So you'll see me throw them right in there, and that's just how they look. And some of them even have scent boosters. So these have the Downy April Fresh scent to them, so I absolutely love them. So now stick around for the giveaway to see how you can win Tide Pods. As you guys just saw, I used the Tide Pods to do the laundry. I absolutely love using Tide Pods, and these in particular because they have the 4-in-1 with Downy, and it smells really, really good, guys. So for this video, I will be giving away an entire basket full of Tide Pods that you see here. This is all thanks to Tide. Thank you so much to Tide for partnering up with me for this video. We're getting refreshed for the new year, and what better way than with clean and refreshing laundry. So if you guys would like to win this entire basket full of Tide Pods, be sure to check out the description down below to see how you guys can win. So good luck, and I hope you guys win this. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and good luck with the giveaway.